Let me show you how you can get a live wallpaper on a OnePlus 15. So in order to get the live wallpaper, ideally you probably want to use a third-party app that allows you to get this animated wallpaper. And if we go to the Play Store, we actually have a bunch of different options. If you just simply type live wallpaper over here, then you should be able to find many different apps, for example. And in here, what I can recommend you to try to use, for example, is this Wallpix app. This is one of the apps that actually work just fine for me. However, the downside is that many of these wallpapers that we have over here are for premium users. Of course, there are some free options as well. And another thing is that oftentimes these wallpapers just play the video once and then it stops. It doesn't repeat. So for example, if you try to set up the wallpaper, you can just select it over here and use the download button, and then we can press get for free. You might see an ad in the meantime, of course, because this is like the payment for these videos. You just have to watch an ad for like 30 seconds or so. But after those 30 seconds, you will be able to just get the wallpaper in theory for free. Alright, so after that, we're gonna tap on apply to, and I'm gonna just choose the home screen and then just tap on apply in the upper right corner. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to get our animated wallpaper just like that. There are some other apps, as I mentioned. For example, another pretty good app is this one, Chill Vector Live Wallpaper, which allows you to set up like this landscape wallpaper that is slightly animated. Over here, if we go to settings, we actually have a bunch of different customization options, like we can choose the day, the time, the type of different landscapes that we want to use. So let's say we're gonna choose dunes this time, maybe monoliths, for example, something like that. And in this case, we can also change the weather. We can make it rainy, for example, snowy, etc. And so on and so forth. We have different scenes, many different options over here. We have the saturations, as you can see, a bunch of different options to choose from. And then we can tap on set as live wallpaper. Once again, we can apply to the home screen, for example. We're gonna apply over here in the upper right corner. And there we go. We have this cool looking animated wallpaper. But of course, in this case, options are limited because we can only create a wallpaper based on the available landscapes, not some things like a custom animated wallpaper that you might want to look for. So the general idea is that you want to look through these different apps. For example, if you have a Steam account and if you have Wallpaper Engine, then you can actually get the Wallpaper Engine on your phone as well, and this works quite well too. Unfortunately, these are apps that I usually use on different smartphones. In this case, it is not working properly. In my case, these wallpapers do not work at all. I'm not sure why. It seems to be not compatible with the current system on OnePlus. Maybe it will be fixed. But you can definitely find many different apps over here that might work just fine, and you might be able to find some cool wallpapers in there. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.